Hey guys, what's up? It's Jessica, and today we're doing a fun team activity with my company where we're going to learn about coffee beans, coffee roasting, and I'm really excited to share a little bit of what I learned and the process. So here they are. The green beans are in a medium heat pan. And we're just warming them and toasting them. We are about 5 minutes into the roasting process. You can definitely see a change in color. They're starting to get kind of like light and toasty. You also start to see these little pieces of skin come off. This is some of that coffee bean skin. They call it chaff, C-H-A-F-F. You definitely want to stir it constantly so it doesn't burn. And the smell that's coming off right now, 100% smells like chocolate. We just heard the first set of cracks. If you're going for a light roast, that means you should go about 30 more seconds and then pull it. I'm going for more of a medium roast, so I'm waiting for most of it to get to be a darker, browner, deeper color. So this is the brand we normally drink. It's from Trader Joe's. It is the Columbia Supremo coffee. It's a medium roast. And so what I'm going to try and do is match the color of these beans to the ones we're home roasting. So for reference, this is the Columbia Supremo bean. This here is some of the chaff I've collected, and I'm going to use it in some of my plants as compost. They've been resting on the kitchen counter in a glass bowl with the lid slightly off. The lid is slightly off to let them degas. It was also recommended to us that after you roast the beans, you let them sit for about 24 to 48 hours before you grind them up.